welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a little while and it is summertime now, so I decided it'd be fun to make a frozen caramel frappuccino. So we're going to start off with 1 shot of espresso or 3 to 4 ounces of brewed coffee, 2 tablespoons caramel syrup, 1/2 cup of a milk and heavy whipping cream mixture because it adds a nice thickness, about 1 cup of ice, preferably smaller pieces because it is better for blending. And for a topping, for fun, we are going to put Ready Whip and a caramel drizzle. We're going to start by using I'm going to be using a Vitamix today, but you can use any kind of blender. So we're going to put in the ice, milk, espresso, and the caramel, and blend it until smooth. But don't blend it too much, because if you blend it too much, then it will become frothy, which isn't the best. And if you want to, you can either add ice, or if you like it a little thinner, you can leave it this way. I like to start off with about 1 cup and then add if we want more for thickness. Then you just pour it in. And our Frappuccino is done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to help me out by giving this a like and subscribing so you won't miss out on any more content.